In this video, we continue our essential gardening tools series with the third episode, where we explore simple yet effective tools that can make gardening easier and more efficient. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, having the right tools can significantly improve your planting success. A disposable cup may seem like an everyday item, but it serves as an excellent temporary container for young plants. The first step is to cut small holes at the bottom of the cup. This step is crucial because proper drainage ensures that excess water does not sit at the base, which could lead to root rot and other fungal diseases. To create a greenhouse effect and retain moisture, a Ziploc bag is used as a simple and cost-effective solution. Covering the top of the cup with a Ziploc bag helps trap humidity and warmth, simulating the conditions of a mini greenhouse. This is particularly useful for plants that require consistent moisture and warmth to establish strong roots. The transparent nature of the bag allows light to penetrate, ensuring the plant continues to photosynthesize while staying protected from sudden temperature changes. This method is great for those who want to start seedlings indoors before transferring them to the garden. Next, we move on to the seed germination tray, an essential tool for any home gardener looking to start multiple seedlings at once. Unlike traditional pots, germination trays allow you to manage several seedlings efficiently in one place, ensuring uniform growth. The compartments in the tray help prevent overcrowding, giving each seedling enough space to develop strong roots before being transplanted into a larger container or directly into the soil. The seedlings from the disposable cups are carefully transplanted into the germination tray, using the trowel well to gently scoop and place them into their new homes. The soft soil in the tray makes it easy for the roots to spread, ensuring a smooth transition for the young plants. Once the seedlings are placed in the germination tray, they are then positioned on a heating mat. A heating mat is a game changer for gardeners, especially those growing plants indoors or in colder climates. This tool helps maintain a consistent soil temperature, which is crucial for successful germination and early plant growth. Many seeds require warmth to sprout effectively, and a heating mat ensures that the soil stays at an optimal temperature regardless of the surrounding environment. This is particularly beneficial for starting seeds in early spring, when outdoor temperatures may still be too cold for proper germination. A heating mat controller is an essential tool for regulating soil temperature. When using a heating mat, it allows you to set and maintain the ideal warmth for seed germination and plant growth, preventing overheating or underheating. With adjustable temperature settings and a built-in sensor, it ensures a consistent environment for your seedlings, improving germination rates and overall plant health. Perfect for indoor gardening or starting seeds in colder months, a heating mat controller gives you precise control over your growing conditions for the best results. We can see multiple trays placed on a heating mat by the windowsill, demonstrating how this setup can maximize growth by providing warmth and natural light simultaneously. Each of these tools plays a vital role in simplifying the gardening process and increasing the chances of success. Disposable cups offer an affordable and effective way to start plants while ensuring proper drainage. Ziploc bags create a controlled humidity environment for young plants, helping them establish strong roots. Seed germination trays provide an organized and efficient way to start multiple plants at once, preventing overcrowding and making transplanting easier. Mini garden trowels are indispensable for precise planting and transplanting without damaging delicate roots. Finally, heating mats provide the warmth necessary for optimal seed germination, especially in cooler conditions. As we wrap up this episode, remember that gardening is all about using the right tools to create the best growing conditions for your plants. Whether you are just starting or looking to improve your gardening techniques, these essential tools will help you achieve better results with less effort. Investing in simple yet effective tools can make a significant difference in your gardening experience, leading to healthier plants and a more productive garden. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest gardening tips and tricks. We are dedicated to helping you make the most of your home garden, and we have plenty more exciting content coming your way. See you in the next episode.